In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Notion, step by step. Highlighting text can be a powerful way to emphasize key points or to organize your content visually, helping you and your team stay on top of important information. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace on Notion, where you manage your wiki, documents, and projects. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button. This step is crucial to ensure you have access to your personalized workspace. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be on your way. Once you're logged in, head over to the Notion home. This is your central hub, where all your projects, pages, and notes come together. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to explore around if you need to locate a specific page or document you're planning to work on. Next, you'll click on the specific page where you want to highlight text. You can find your page easily by navigating through the sidebar or using the search feature at the top. Notion's interface is user-friendly, making it straightforward to locate and select the content you're interested in editing. With the page open, select the specific text you want to highlight. This can be a single word, sentence, or even an entire paragraph, whatever serves the purpose of your document. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in blue. Now that your text is selected, look for the text formatting toolbar that appears. Here, click on Text Color. This option lets you change the appearance of your text by altering the color, which can also serve as a form of highlighting if you choose a higher contrast color than the default text. For those who want to truly highlight, you'll want to click on Background Color. This feature lets you change the background behind the text rather than the text itself, offering a more traditional highlighted appearance. It's a great way to make certain text pop and stand out on the page. Consider using different shades for different types of notes or levels of importance. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to highlight text in Notion. Remember, experimenting with colors and highlighting can vastly improve the readability and organization of your notes. That concludes today's tutorial, but feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion!